Hello, this is NathanAhn, and today we're going over addition and subtraction. So for number one, how many turtles are there in all? You see, this is an addition problem, so it's going to be the two turtles here plus the other two turtles, so we get four turtles. So it's going to be 2 plus 2, which is equal to 4. For number two, how many birds are left? So it's a subtraction problem. So we find the total of the birds here. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 total birds minus the 3 birds that are leaving here. So we're going to be left with 4 birds. So this would be 7 minus 3, which is equal to 4. For number 3, how many dogs are there in all? This is an addition problem. So we have 2 dogs here plus one other dog here. So it will equal to 3 dogs in all. So it's 2 plus 1 equals 3. For number 4, how many cats are left? So this is a subtraction problem. So we're going to find the total of the cats first. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And the 2 orange cats are leaving. So we're left with 1, 2, 3 purple cats. So this is 5 minus 2 equals 3. For number 5, what is the total number of mice? So we have 1, 2, 3 mice on top and 1, 2, 3 mice on the bottom. So you add both of them to get a total of 6 mice. So this would be 6 root 3 plus 3 equals 6. And now for number 1, we have 11 beetles were on the log, and 3 more beetles came along for number 2. So this is really an addition problem, so we would have used how many beetles were there in all. And then since it's an addition problem, this would be 11 plus 3 equals 14. For number 3, 8 ants were on the watermelon, and 7 more ants were on the ground. So this would be an addition problem as we're looking for a total number of ants. So we have 8 plus 7, 15, because that's the addition problem. So for number 4, 12 bees were at a hive and 3 bees flew away. So this is a subtraction problem. So this would be how many bees were left. So it will be 12 minus 3 equals 9 because it's a subtraction problem. For number 1, the kids built 6 snowmen. Later, they built 5 more snowmen. How many snowmen were there altogether? So this would be a addition problem. So we have 6 of the original snowmen they built, and they would build 5 more. So they would have altogether 6 snowmen. For number 2, there were 11 hats, and there were 4 scarves. How many more hats were there? So this would be a subtraction problem as we're looking for the hats. So you have 11 hats minus 4 scarves, and this will result in there being 7 more hats than there were of scarves. For number 3, there were 4 sleds at the top of the hill and 6 sleds that were at the bottom of the hill. What was the total number of sleds? So we would add the 4 sleds on top of the hill plus the 6 sleds that were on the bottom of the hill. So there will be a total number of 10 sleds. There were 4, there were 11 cups of hot chocolate, and the kids drank 5 cups. How many cups of hot chocolate were left? So they would have 11 cups of hot chocolate total, but the kids would drink 5 of the cups, so they would be left with 6 cups of hot chocolate. And for number 1, Barry saw 16 ladybugs and 8 ladybugs flew away. How many ladybugs were left? So Barry would see a total of 16 ladybugs, but 8 of those flew away, so 16 minus 8, there would be 8 ladybugs left. For number 2, Maggie saw 13 tulips at school, and she would see 11 more tulips at home. And how many tulips did she see? So this is an addition problem. So we have the 13 tulips she saw at school plus the 11 more tulips she saw at home. So there would be a total of 24 tulips she saw. 3, Haley had 23 plants. She bought 14 more plants. How many plants were there in all? This is also an addition problem. So Haley owned 23 plants and she would buy 14 more plants. So there'll be a total of 37 plants. For number 4, Lewis saw 34 butterflies and 13 butterflies flew away. How many butterflies were left? So this is a subtraction problem. So we have the 34 butterflies she saw minus the 13 butterflies that flew away. So there'll be 21 butterflies left. And that's all for today. Thank you for watching.